getting your period may not be the most fun thing in the world. But if you have a cute pouch that you've made to carry your period products in, it can make it feel a little better. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make and decorate your very own period pouch so you can go to the bathroom in style. And right now, all the supplies you need come free when you sign up for a RedDrop subscription. All this means is you pay $13.50 a month, you get period products that you choose sent directly to your house, and you get a free DIY pouch kit. But it's a limited time offer and we only have 100 in stock and available, so make sure to sign up quick. Remember, you can decorate your pouch however you want. This is just a little inspiration for you. So the supplies you'll get include 1 small bag of gems and 1 small bag of sequins, 3 colors of glitter glue, 3 cute stick-on patches, and your zippered pouch. Now the supplies you get may vary from the ones that I have, but I'll show you a couple different options of how you can decorate this pouch so you won't feel stuck. For the first design, I decided to just use 2 of the 3 patches. I peeled off the backing and just stuck them down, as you can see. Now using glitter glue, I'm creating a swirl from one of the patches and then tracing it with the 2 other colors of glitter glue. Then using the gold, I'm going around the edges and creating little bumps that get increasingly smaller. Now I'm using a wave-like shape that flows from the same patch to the edge of the pouch. And I'm tracing that with all 3 colors as well. Then I decided to outline each of the patches, the first in gold and the second in blue. Now the great thing about glitter glue is you can make designs with it, but you can also use it as actual glue. So I'm going to be using it to glue on the gems, as you can see here. After I glue on each gem, I'm outlining it in this teardrop shape, and then using the same gold color and creating dots that outline the teardrop shapes as well as the top of the wave design. Next, I wanted to add a little bit more color to this wave design, so I'm going back in with the blues and filling out this shape a little bit more. To keep the color theme cohesive, I went back in with the gold and outlined the blue areas. Now comes the fun part where we get to add sequins. I picked out all the red sequins and added them to the swirl design that I first did, and then used the blue and silver sequins on the blue areas of my wave design, and then used the gold sequins to outline the heart. Lastly, I added some gems on the very top rim of the wave design, and that's it. Now for the second pouch, I wanted it to be a little bit easier. So I'm starting by placing all 3 patches on the pouch, and I thought it would be cute to write your name on the pouch. So I just added Sarah above the rainbow here. Then using the same silver color, I added little hearts around the pouch. And since I wanted to add some gems, I also went around and added little dots and then added the gems on top of those dots. I wanted to give the name a little more pizzazz, so I outlined it in pink, and I used the same pink to add dots beneath the rainbow and also all over the pouch. Then I used the green to add even more dots. And lastly, I added sequins on top of some of those green dots. And that's it. And if you haven't signed up already, make sure to click the link in the description and you can sign up today. Have fun making your DIY pouches!